Precision concrete placement in Danbury, Connecticut starts with the right concrete pump truck, the right pump hose, and the right crew for the job site. For concrete pumping in Danbury, Connecticut, contractors rely on efficient concrete placement for foundations, slabs, driveways, sidewalks, pool decks, and retaining walls when access is tight or timing matters. Whether the project needs line pumping, boom pump service, or concrete contractor support, the goal is smooth concrete pour performance and accurate delivery across residential and commercial sites. Residential concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut is ideal for basement pour work, foundation pumping, driveway concrete, sidewalk concrete, pool deck concrete, and retaining wall pour projects where speed and control matter. In Danbury, Connecticut, residential construction concrete pumping helps reduce labor, improve finish quality, and keep concrete moving exactly where it needs to go. From small load concrete to full ready mix delivery coordination, every concrete pour benefits from dependable concrete placement services Danbury, Connecticut. Commercial concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut supports larger builds that demand precision concrete placement, fast setup, and consistent flow on busy job sites. From commercial construction concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut to high-rise concrete pumping and bridge deck pumping, the right boom truck concrete service Danbury, Connecticut can streamline production and reduce delays. For contractors working in Danbury, Connecticut, commercial concrete pumping, construction pumping, and ready-mix concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut all play a major role in keeping schedules on track. Line pumping services Danbury, Connecticut are a strong solution for areas with limited access, backyard pours, and projects where a boom cannot reach. Using pump hose setups and skilled concrete pump operator Danbury, Connecticut support, line pumping makes it easier to handle foundation concrete pumping Danbury CT, basement concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut, and small concrete pour pumping Danbury, Connecticut with control and accuracy. For residential concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut, line pumping offers a practical path for concrete placement in tight neighborhoods and compact job sites. Boom pump services Danbury, Connecticut are the preferred choice for wide reach, elevated placement, and efficient concrete pouring across complex sites. A concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut truck with boom capability can handle slab pumping, driveway concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut, sidewalk concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut, and pool deck concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut with less manual handling and more precision. When concrete contractor support is needed for a large-scale concrete pour, a boom pump helps improve productivity and reduce placement time. Foundation pumping and basement pour work in Danbury, Connecticut require careful planning, especially when the site has limited job site concrete access. Concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut allows crews to move ready mix delivery into forms faster and with better control, helping reduce segregation and waste. For foundation concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut and basement concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut, the combination of concrete pump rental Danbury, Connecticut options and experienced concrete pump operator Danbury, Connecticut service makes challenging pours more manageable. Driveway concrete and sidewalk concrete projects in Danbury, Connecticut benefit from direct, efficient concrete placement services that reduce labor and improve finish quality. With driveway concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut and sidewalk concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut, homeowners and contractors can handle residential concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut jobs with better access to narrow sites and uneven terrain. Concrete placement for these surfaces is faster when the concrete pump truck delivers material exactly where the crew needs it. Slab concrete pouring Danbury, Connecticut often calls for boom pump services Danbury, Connecticut or line pumping services Danbury, Connecticut depending on site layout and reach. For garage slabs, basement slabs, patios, and commercial floors, slab pumping improves consistency and helps support the concrete pour from start to finish. Ready-mix concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut works especially well when precision concrete placement is needed for clean finishing and reliable results. Pool deck concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut and retaining wall concrete pumping Danbury, Connecticut both require controlled flow, accurate positioning, and experienced construction pumping support. A quality concrete pump truck helps move material around pools, landscaping features, and elevation changes without excessive hand hauling. In Danbury, Connecticut, these projects often depend on pump hose flexibility, concrete contractor support, and small load concrete handling to make detailed pours efficient. Small Concrete Pumping Danbury, Connecticut is an efficient option for repairs, additions, and limited-size jobs where full-scale equipment may not be necessary. From mud pumping to small load concrete, this type of service helps streamline residential construction. Concrete Pumping Danbury, Connecticut, and keeps the project moving without unnecessary delays. When a contractor needs a concrete pump rental, Danbury, Connecticut solution, or a quick job site concrete pump service, Danbury, Connecticut, flexibility and precision matter most. Concrete Pumping Danbury, Connecticut is the smart choice for projects that demand speed, access, and control across Danbury, Connecticut. From Danbury Concrete Pump Truck Service and Boom Truck Concrete Service, Danbury, Connecticut, to foundation pumping, slab pumping, commercial concrete pumping, Danbury, Connecticut, and residential concrete pumping, Danbury, Connecticut, the right equipment improves every concrete pour. For driveway concrete, sidewalk concrete, pool deck concrete, retaining wall pour, basement pour, and high-rise concrete pumping, reliable concrete placement services, Danbury, Connecticut, keep the job efficient and professional.